Hello viewers. Welcome to our YouTube channel Everything About Accounting. If you want to learn accounting easy and simple way, you are in the right place. We all know that the trial balance has very immense importance in accounting. Trial balance is prepared to verify the mathematical accuracy of the accounts. So, in this video, we will learn 1. What is trial balance? 2. What is the example of trial balance? 3. What are the features of trial balance? And 4. Why it is so important to prepare a trial balance? Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for getting the regular updates about accounting videos. So, let's get started. What is trial balance? Trial balance is a list of accounts balance at a given time. Trial balance is a list of debit and credit balances of accounts received from the ledger at the end of a specified accounting period to check the mathematical accuracy of accounts. Trial balance checks the mathematical accuracy of the accounts to help the company to prepare the financial statements. Example of trial balance. For example, please look at the screen for a sample trial balance. You will get the basic idea about trial balance. Features of trial balance. Trial balance is primarily designed to assist in mathematical accuracy of accounts and to prepare financial statements. The important features of trial balance are discussed here. 1. Trial balance is a list of accounts balance of ledger. 2. The mathematical accuracy of the ledger can be verified with the help of trial balance. 3. It is easier to prepare a final account or financial statement based on the trial balance. 4. There is no obligation to create a trial balance. 5. If there is a mistake in accounts, it can be easily identified with the help of trial balance. 6. Trial balance is prepared at a convenient time at the end of the accounting period. 7. Ledger balances of accounts are recorded consecutively in trial balance. Why it is so important to prepare a trial balance? The main purpose of the trial balance is to verify the mathematical accuracy of the accounts, and it also prepares for different purposes. It has many important and requirements. The importance of preparing a trial balance is discussed here. 1. The arithmetic accuracy of accounts can be easily verified with the help of trial balance. 2. Trial balance uncover the errors in journalizing and posting. 3. Trial balance serves as an assistant in the preparation of financial statements. 4. It can easily be corrected if there are any inaccuracies in accounts with the help of trial balance. 5. An idea about the financial position of the company is obtained from the trial balance. 6. Due to the preparation of the trial balance, all the accounts are available in one place, which does not require repeated checking of the account, thus saving both time and labor. 7. Various comparisons can be made from the accounts stored in the trial balance. 8. Trial balance plays an important role in managerial analysis, so managers can take decisions easily on accounts from the information stored in trial balance. At the end of the video, I think you're clear about the trial balance. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and share. You can also visit our official website www.everythingaboutakcounting.info for more articles about accounting. Thanks for watching.